Pumps and compressors behave opposite of turbines. Both these devices require mechanical energy input to change our fluid properties. A pump takes this mechanical energy and converts it to a flow energy for an incompressible liquid. Oftentimes, this results in an increase of enthalpy, an increase of pressure, an increase of velocity, and an increase of potential energy. A compressor takes this mechanical energy input to increase the pressure energy of our system. These two devices operate on a different set of liquids and therefore have differing geometry. However, the geometry of these devices is not the focus of this class. Let us consider a centrifugal pump below. On our backside, our pump would be connected to a motor where it would receive an input work. Fluid is drawn through the inlet of the device and pushed through the impeller for where it is rejected at our exit with some increased velocity or pressure. This device is able to move fluid, say, up a difference of elevation or with an increase of velocity.